GoHighLevel is running their summer promo right now, and a lot of people are asking the same question. Which plan should I get? In this video, I'm going to break down exactly which plan makes sense for new users and the upgrade opportunity that existing users are missing right now. If you're already on GoHighLevel and you want to activate the free AI tools that come with the summer promo, I've made a separate video for that. The link is in the card above. This video is focused on the main high-level plans and the 50% off discount available this summer. So let's go. First, what is the summer 50% off promo? GoHighLevel is running this as short pop-up windows. Each one lasts about a week. When it's open, the discount is live. When it closes, you wait for the next one or go on an extended 30-day trial instead. There are several windows running all summer long. Same deal, same price for every window. Check my article at GHLCentral.com for the current open dates. We keep that updated in real time. The direct link is in the description below. Here's what 50% off looks like for new users. For your first 3 months, the starter plan drops from $97 down to $48.50 per month. The unlimited plan drops from $297 down to $148.50. And the Agency Pro plan drops from $497 to $248.50 a month. Your card is charged on day one, you get full access right away, and after 3 months, you go back to regular price. So which plan should you pick? Here's how I think about it. The starter plan is good if you're just getting started and want to test the platform with your own business first. The unlimited plan is where most agencies start. You get multiple sub-accounts, white label tools, and room to grow. Agency Pro is for agencies who are ready to resell high-level as their own software and automate account creation and billing. If you're not sure, start with Unlimited. You can always upgrade later. And during this promo, upgrading is cheaper than ever. My full plan comparison is in my article at GHLCentral.com. Again, the link is in the description below. Now let's talk about existing users, because this is actually where the biggest opportunity is in this promo. If you're on the unlimited plan right now, that's $297 a month. You can upgrade to Agency Pro and pay the same $297 a month for your first 3 months. Agency Pro normally costs $497 a month, so you're getting it at the same current price you're paying right now. 3 months to try the higher plan without paying more. So what do you get with Agency Pro that you don't have now? 2 big things. First, automated account creation and billing. When you sign on a new client, high-level sets up their account and starts billing them automatically. No more doing it by hand. Second is rebilling. Agency Pro lets you charge your clients for the tools they use, texts, calls, emails, even AI, and add a markup on top. Instead of those costs coming out of your pocket, you pass them to the client and make money on them. 3 months at your current price to see if Agency Pro changes how you run your agency. Full upgrade steps are in my article at GHLCentral.com. Now, if you sign up or upgrade through GHL Central, you also get our bonus stack at no extra cost. This is designed to close the gap between signing up and getting your first campaign live, the part most users struggle with. Here's what's included. The AI Business Accelerator, how to sell high-levels AI features fast, a one-on-one account setup and strategy call, snapshots and templates ready to install into your account, training courses and playbooks, and high-level community support. Everything you need to go from signed up to actually running as fast as possible. To get the bonus, go to our article in the description. Use the links there to sign up or upgrade, and we'll send you the bonus stack right away. Full details on every bonus are on our blog, and the link is in the description. One more thing worth knowing. Everyone who enrolls in the promo also gets access to the Summer of AI free AI tools through August 31st. I made a separate video about that it covers exactly how to quickly activate your free AI tools. It's linked in the description and in the card above. That's a bonus on top of everything else. Now, one question I get a lot: should I use the promo or the free trial? Here's the honest answer. The promo charges your card on day one at 50% off. The free trial gives you 30 days before you pay anything. But if you're on the 30-day trial, you don't get access to the Summer of Free AI until you make your first payment. The promo wins if you're ready to build and want the AI tools from day one. The trial wins if you're still deciding whether HighLevel is right for you, but you can't combine the offers. Everything I covered today is laid out step by step in my articles at GHLCentral.com. The current window dates, full plan pricing, upgrade steps, and info on your bonus stack. One page, everything you need. Again, the link is in the description. Here's a quick recap. New users, 50% off for 3 months. Pick Unlimited to start. Upgrade to Agency Pro if you're ready to resell. Existing Unlimited users, upgrade to Agency Pro at your same $297 monthly rate. That's 3 months to test it without paying more. Our GHL Central bonus stack, which includes the AI Business Accelerator, your setup call, snapshots, training, and community support, all free through our link. And don't forget the Summer of AI bonus. Free AI tools through August 31st. We've got a separate video that explains the promo and shows you how to quickly activate your free AI. The link is above and in the description below. And our Summer of AI blog has everything you need to know to get you up and running with your free AI fast. Happy Summer of AI, and I'll see you in the next one.